action program taken up by the Assam Rifles in the state, 182 Border Security Force Koirengai, under the aegis of Sector Headquarter BSF Manipur, undertook a project for providing drinking water to Osku Ningthemcha village, Imphal East yesterday. DM College of Teacher Education, Imphal today organized an induction cum orientation program for newly admitted B.Ed trainees at DM College of Teacher Education Hall. More than 150 trainees from both pre-service and in-service attended the orientation cum induction program. Taking advantage of absence of people, police took away 2 plastic robes from the cremation site of Baby Sana at Harauro Tangkham Awang Leikai last night. Tension erupted as the residents nearby protested against the act of the police. A cabinet meeting has been convened on August 3 to discuss the upcoming monsoon session of Manipur Assembly, which is likely to begin in early part of the current month. Women folk of Singjamai staged a sit-in protest at Singjamai parking in Imphal West, demanding justice in the death of Baby Sana. The 13-year-old allegedly committed suicide inside boarding room of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur on July 18th last.